Hello everyone. If you've just got yourself a brand new Logitech mouse, or you've just updated your macOS to Mojave, or perhaps you just updated your Logitech software on your Mac, you might find that the scroll wheel has suddenly stopped working. Don't worry, this video will show you how to fix it in a few simple steps. First of all, you need to launch System Preferences. So you need to go to the Apple in the top left corner, System Preferences. In the first row, you've got Security and Privacy. Click on that. At the top, you'll have Privacy tab. Click on that, and under that, you should have a section called Logitech Options Daemon. You need to have that ticked. If it's not ticked, you need to unlock it by putting in your login password. Once you've ticked it, put the padlock back on, and your scroll wheel should start working immediately. Hope this helps. If it does, please give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.